it's Marielle, Mom and a Girl with Plans, and I'm really excited to flip through this Colorblock Mickey and Minnie sticker book. It will be available in the spring collection that comes out March 4th on the Happy Planner website at 9 a.m. All right, I am so ready to dig into this one because this is my favorite collection of Mickey and Minnie items from the Happy Planner. I love all the colors. I love the design. It's so stunning. I checked out the planners, so I'm really excited to see the stickers. All right, so we've got some gold detail and pretty soft colors. Look at Minnie. See, I love these. I love the graphic, just bold. And then look at this. Look at that rainbow there. Best day ever with Minnie's little bow in the center there. Lots of fun boxes. And just look at these colors. Look at that one with her little bow. Hooray for the weekend. I love the rainbow letters and this underline bold colors. Bold and curious. Lots of boxes. So this has lots of boxes and decorative. So it's pretty versatile. Oh, look at that with little tiny Mickeys. Getting stuck here. Nice long boxes so you can write a lot in. Ooh, these are pretty. Look at that. Work hard, radiate kindness, good things are coming. Some more of those little boxes as well. Oh, I love these colors. This has the gold foil. Look at that silhouette Minnie there. Courage is golden. This might be, well, so far we're all Minnie. Maybe it's an all Minnie book. I don't know. I love this one. All good. Her little silhouette. Be kind with the eye dotted in a little Mickey head. Look at those. All the little Minnie's icons and now all of her face and expressions on the clear paper. Oh, here we go. Here's Mickey. So now we've got our Mickey versions. Look at that with the little music notes. Stay true to you with his Mickey head. Oh my gosh, find joy in every day. And he's got his tongue out. And then we've got more boxes. Again, these colors are just so pretty. Loving the journey. More boxes, a lot of function. So this one is just, like I said, the perfect combination of function and decoration. Those are really good. Loving the journey. I like his dream big. Hers was pink and his is like blues and aquas. All good. Love that expression. Life doesn't have to be perfect to be wonderful. That's a fantastic quote. And then we've got all the little Mickeys and his expressions on the clear. Oh, and now we got them together. This is cute. Wonderful days are ahead. And now we've got, whoops, I skipped a page. Some gold foil. Color blocking. Good times. Oh, time to make magic. Oh, I flip through these and I'm like, I want to go to Disney. Positively busy. True, not today. Oh, love the bow over the eyes. Plan, plan, plan. Nice long boxes for writing. More little Mickey boxes. Oh, again, I love all of these. Nice gold foil detail. And then here are some without the foil. And then together, we've got them together on the clear with the colors. And now I've got them together on gold. And that is this one. This is so, so perfect. I just think it's a perfect combination of function and decorative. So this one is fantastic. And then I've got this little guy. I haven't flipped through him either. Let's take a look at this one. Oh, look, it's got little tiny Mickey and Minnie's in gold. Ooh, again, love, love, love the lettering. And then we've got little black and white Mickey and Minnie's, and these are on clear. And then them together on clear. Little faces laughing on clear. Oh, these are pretty. All the different little quotes. Always find something to smile about. Wonderful days are ahead. Loving the journey. And then together, being sweet. Look at that with the little heart. Kissing and laughing. Couple goals. And then we've got the gold with the lettering. So this is like a perfect little accent book. I really like that. So these go perfect together. So thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. And I would love it if you would hit that like and subscribe button so you can get more videos from me. Thank you so much and have a great day.